everybody, it's Dr. Steve Wilsons from Back to Action Chiropractic with another Ask the Doc. Now I was talking to some people today about one of the worst postures that people tend to have. And if you have one of those cell phones, which I know you do, you're spending a lot of time bringing your body and your head and your shoulders forward. And that really changes your center of gravity and leads to an imbalance of muscles between the front and the back. So one thing that I'm going to show you how to do is use a lacrosse ball instead of a foam roller to roll out some muscles so that you can remove some adhesions and get some of that better flexibility. Now we've talked about some other stretches like the Brugger postural relief exercise, which you can also find among the YouTube and Facebook videos that I've done. But today we're going to use this little lacrosse ball, which is a hard rubber ball. You can find them on Amazon for like $6, okay? And it's really portable, it's easy to take care, and cool bounces, so kids love it too. So you can use this to stretch out your pec muscle. Now you want to do about 30 seconds. Any more and you're really wasting time, any less and you're really not getting the full benefit of this sort of activity. So what you can do is you can just put the ball right against the wall here, just like this, and you find your pec muscle, okay? So you go right below your collarbone or your clavicle, and you'll find that really thick muscle here, and you want to find a tender area, okay? It tends to be between your sternum and your shoulder, about halfway, and you'll find a nice little trigger point. So you put the ball right on there against the wall, and then you can just roll back and forth, about an inch back and forth. And you go about 30 seconds. Now you can even go up and down. Keep finding that spot and roll on it. The cool thing is you can actually take as much pressure or take as much pressure off as you want. So it shouldn't be causing a 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10 pain. It should be causing a 2 or 3 out of 10 achiness, soreness. Feels like it's a stretch and it's doing something, okay? So that's just one stretch you can do. Each side, 30 seconds, once or twice a day. And that right there can take this posture and start to bring those shoulders back, bring that head back, and create that positive posture. So if you have any more questions about this, you can shoot us an email or comment on the post below. This is Dr. Steve Wilsons with Ask the Doc.